amazing. And again, shooting in Philippines was just a ton of fun, and we've made tons of memories. Thank you so much again for the support. We can't wait for you to check out our show, Secret Ingredients, which debuts on 30th of April, exclusively on YouTube.
Uy, talaga namang si Samon Lee. Iba rin yung cuteness na dala ng Samon. At saka, ngayon ko lang narinig yung pagkakasabi ng sisig, ganyan ka social. Susig, ganon, sabi. Ganon. How was it like, Ju? So, here, your name is Maya. Tell us more about her.
So Maya is a commissary chef. So first time kong mag-play as a chef for a role. And syempre marami siyang pangarap to be more than a commissary chef. Gusto niya maging talagang executive chef, kahit sous chef. So makikita natin dito sa Secret Ingredient yung magiging journey niya into how she will achieve her dreams.
Jules, ang sabi dito, kilig sa feels at sarap sa taste buds. So what does that exactly mean? Kasi diba, I know that you guys are cooking here,
yes.
Pero may word na kilig, and as we know, kilig is very hard to translate in any other language, diba? It's very Filipino. How do you think that translated to the show Secret Ingredient?
It's quite a unique love story,
Okay.
Especially na di ko alam, Ate Des, parang nakakalig din kasi yung mga pagkain na ipapakita natin dito sa Secret Ingredient. And I'm very proud at kinilig din talaga ako sa experience na to because ma-highlight natin yung Filipino dishes globally.
And I think for Unilever, partnering with you as well is such a big thing kasi this is the first time it's happening. And I pray that it is not the first. It will only be the first of many, diba? Pero dito, we feature, of course, si Samon Lee is South Korean.
Yes.
And then Nicholas Sepulveda was Indonesian. Okay, how was it like? Parang, ang main language ba pag nag-usap kayo ay English.
Yes.
Pero did you also teach them a little bit of Tagalog when you're cooking? Kasi may paglulutong terms na kadalasan mas sa Pinoy mo lang masasabi, diba?
Yes, correct. Pero it was interesting kasi the three of us were always learning from each other. Bahasa, Korean, Tagalog. So parang every day, parang palagi kang may natututunan na bago talaga on the set.
Yes. Di ba kapag sinabi mo pag nagluluto na haluin mo, it's really like parang exercise
Oh,
for
correct.
us,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Okay, so ikaw ba, Jules, nagluluto ka talaga?
Yes.
Kasi you have a home, diba?
Yes.
And very early on, I know that your mama also loves to cook. Do you
Yes.
take that from her?
She's still so much better by very much.
Yes.
Pero I'm trying and I love na marami rin kami natututunan ng mga kapatid ko kay mama.
Ano specialty mo na luto?
Specialty, siguro mga pasta ko
Pasta.
Pasta dishes, yes.
Dito ba sa Secret Ingredient, lahat ng mga niluto mo, kadalasan to represent the Filipino cuisine are very, yung classic Filipino, or did we also add twists?
Oh yes. I'm super excited, Ate Dems, because lahat ng Filipino favorites will really be part of the show.
Ang saya. Okay, how did you prepare for the role? Because I know you and I've worked with you several times, Vlogsy, and I love you so, and I know you prepare, right? So for this one, what was it like for you preparing? Did you have to cook plenty for the family? Did you have to learn other dishes that's not only Filipino?
Correct. Yes, actually, pero more than anything, I think lahat kami talaga nag-culinary school, nag-short course kami. And then, more than the cooking, it was the preparation, the fabrication, the deboning. Mas technical yung tinuro sa
Parang
amin.
lesson class, no? Yung parang kailangan naka-ready.
Yeah.
Na-miss ko tuloy yung pagluluto. Nag-aral din ako niyan. Na-miss ko.
I know, I
Oo.
saw, I see.
So, ako naman, ano yung secret ingredient ng secret ingredient para sa'yo? Kasi, for a show that actually champions 3 different countries, all Southeast Asian, champions a lot of products, food products that we are very proud of, kinalakihan natin. Pero para sa'yo, ay yung pinaka-secret ingredient ng secret ingredient.
Oh, alam mo, this ang ganda nun na kasi feeling ko sa lahat ng inikutan namin, hindi pa yan talaga natatanong. Pero feeling ko ang naging secret ingredient talaga nito was everybody behind the project. Grabe talaga yung hard work, yung collaboration. Imagine this is 3 languages in one set. So, talagang napamahal kami lahat sa isa't isa, naging pamilya kami. Feeling ko yung secret ingredient doon was yung love. Yung love na meron kami sa set.
And also because tayo, di ba, from Asia, we're very mapamilya talaga.
Yes.
Di ba, no? So kahit saan tayo ilagay, parang yun yung setting sa atin na parang mga kapatid mo yung mga kasama mo, parang kung sino yung pinaka-nurturing yung parang nanay mo.
Yes, yes.
Ganyan. Oh, amazing. Pero hindi tayo titigil dyan kasi meron tayong masayang gagawin.
Yes, yes.
And I'm so excited kasi eto na, meron tayo, bago yon, I'll ask you muna to promote kasi later,
Okay.
sa sobrang saya ng game natin, baka makalimutan mo kung ano yung mga kailangan natin. Please do promote anything and plug anything that you like to tell all your fans.
Yun lang naman. Sino mga naka-download na ng View app dito? Mag-download na kayo. It's for free. Secret ingredient. Mapapanood nyo na yan ng April 30th only on View. So, download nyo na yung app. Ngayon pa lang. Kasi malapit na yun.
Yes.
2 days.
Konti na lang, April 30. Ang bilis-bilis ng araw. Akala ko January lang kahapon. Ngayon, April na. But I'm so excited and so happy for you, Jules. And at this point, dahil ready na tayo para sa new series na yan, eto, pagpapahingahin muna kita ng konti, but stay with me. Of course, again, it's going to be an international treat, lalong-lalo lang sa mga foodies and lovers of drama. As you know, mahilig na nga tayo sa drama, mahilig pa tayong kumain, at mahilig din tayong magluto. Pero makakasama pa natin si Julia po for a lot of other activities right now. Also, for everybody who are joining us today, I'd like to remind you, may raffle po tayo. Sino mahilig sa raffle? Ay, nako! Kung mahilig kayo sa raffle, paisa-isa na kayong mag-comfort room kasi ang rule pala ay kapag nasa banyo ka, hindi mo pwede maklaim. Para to sa mga office sa raffle natin. So you have to be here for that. Again, if you complete all the stations, there are stamps that you have to put on the card and get all 6 stamps, and that entitles you to 1 entry ticket. And then we have a lot of exciting prizes for you, including gadgets. Ang gaganda po ng mga gadgets. And 1 year free View subscriptions. Go and encourage you to go around and get those stamps. And a lucky winner will also get a chance to join us later. Kasi after po dito, meron kaming private screening. So kung gusto nyo mapanood yan with Julia and I, naku, mag-join na po kayo sa raffle. And with that, sisimulan na natin ang first game, ang napaka-classic na Pinoy Henyo Secret Ingredient Style. Okay, I think we're gonna need the chairs over here. I'll be needing 3 contestants from the crowd, Jules, so tatlo yan. I'm not sure if we already determined the 3. Did we already take 3? Sinong game? Meron na po ba? Naka-ready na, the 3. Okay. At carry nyo to for sure. Jules, I think you will have to sit here. Tama po ba si Julia dito? Julia will be in the middle? Yes, no? Dito, Jules. Ayan pala. Okay.
Pinoy Henyo.
Yung sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam na sure ako konti-konti lang, it close to none. Kasi lahat tayo alam natin yung Pinoy Henyo. All players get up on stage at ang goal po nila is to try and guess as many correct answers within 2 minutes. Again, 2 minutes lamang po. And guess what? Makakalaro niyo dito si Jules. Jules, gagalingan mo to.
Yes, kasi competitive ako sa mga games.
Alam ko, bilang athletic ka, as a competition to. We'll be flashing the correct words on the screen and at the back of the contestant. Dito po yan. At siya, dapat ma-figure out niya ang sagot through the category selection na tao ba to, hayop ba, pagkain, lugar, at kung ano-ano pa. The clue giver, that is Jules, must only answer yes, no, pwede. Huwag ka ma-excite.
Huwag lalagpas.
Huwag lalagpas. Dapat doon lang. And at the end of the round, yung team po na may pinakamaraming nakuhang words within 2 minutes, siya ang mananalo. Okay, nasa na sila? Okay, sana po kayo? Tawagin na natin sila. Oh, contestant number 1. Hello. Hello. Hi, what's your name? Albi. Albing, come over here. Albing, this is Julia. Julia, this is Albing. Napaka-fashionable mo naman, Albing. Grabe naman. Albing, please have a seat. Albing, alam mo na to, di ba? Yung Pinoy Henyo, you've played this before? Familiar, okay. Jules, 2 minutes lang to, okay? Yung pinakamaraming makakuha ng mga tamang answers within 2 minutes, yun ang mananalo. So basically, even matapos na si Alvin, we won't know if siya winner until the end of the 3. Okay, timer starts.
Okay.
Ito, parang siya mananalo ng orapan. Sabi niya, kailangan ready.
Parang ako yung magkakaroon ng prize na makaka-watch ng screening. Parang ganong level. Okay.
So, Jules, eto na.
Okay.
Okay, timer starts now.
Tao.
Wala pa.
Uy, wala pa.
Okay,
Okay.
ayan.
Tao.
Hindi.
Hayop.
Hindi.
Bagay.
Bagay? Bagay ba to? Hindi. Bagay, considered bagay to. Okay, bagay, yes.
Nagagamit sa kusina.
Saan?
Kusina.
Hindi.
Wala.
Hala. Hindi mahirap to.
Nakikita sa bahay.
Ha?
Nakikita sa bahay.
Hindi. 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 At saka, sige lang.
English.
Yes.
Plate.
Ha?
Plate.
Ha?
Plate. Plato.
Pwedeng mag-pass, Alvin, ha? Pwedeng
Ay,
mag-pass.
pass.
Ikutin
Pass
natin.
daw, pass. Okay, yan na. Go.
Tao.
Hindi.
Lugar.
Hindi.
Hayop.
Hindi.
Bagay.
Hindi.
Ha? Character.
Hindi.
Related sa secret ingredient.
Yes.
Bansa.
Hindi. Malapit ka na.
Pagkain.
Yes.
Filipino dish.
Yes.
Sinigang.
Yeah!
Okay, next.
Next.
Tao.
No.
Hayop.
No.
Nakaisa parang alam mo, nanalo na tayo doon.
No.
Related ulit sa secret ingredient.
Yes.
Pagkain.
Yes.
Asian cuisine.
Kahit saan, pwede.
May sabaw.
Ha?
May sabaw.
Walang sabaw.
Ay, magaling si Alvin, ha?
Prito. Prito.
No.
Sinuti.
Ha?
Pasta.
No.
Alvin, pwede mag-pass, ha?
Pas.
O pass. Okay, madali lang to, dear.
Tao.
Hindi.
Hayop.
Hindi.
Lugar.
Hindi.
Related ulit sa secret.
Yes.
Pagkain ulit.
Hindi.
Gamit sa kusina.
Hindi din.
Bansa.
Hindi.
Oh, nakailan si Alvin? 1. Alvin, huwag ka mag-alala. Magaling, ha? Magaling. Alvin, sige, dito ka muna. Go to the side first and we're gonna call on our next player. Okay, come over here. Ano pong pangalan nila? Angeline, this is Julia, this is Angeline. Angeline, please take a seat. Okay. Angeline, again, you can take a pass if feeling mo hindi mo kaya yon para dun tayo sa next.
Okay.
Ready? Ready, girls?
Yes.
Okay, timer starts now.
Tao? No. Pagkain? Hindi. Bagay? Hindi. Hayop? Hindi. Bansa? Yes. Philippines? Hindi. South Korea? Hindi. Vietnam? Hindi. Bansa mo? Oo. Alapit mo na eh. Huwag ka nang tumuyo. Hindi. Ha? Hindi. Pati na lang. Ha? Pass. Okay, go. Hindi. 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 Yes. Sinigang? Hindi. Sabaw? Wala. Fried? Hindi. Ihaw? Hindi din. Ingredients? Yes. Nor? Malapit na.
Papayagan ko na yung malapit na.
Ay, oo nga pala. Pwede. As in, baka nakikita mo lang siya talaga dito.
At may paklo ka pa.
Oo nga pala. Sinigang mix. Ha? Sinigang mix? Hindi. Nakikita mo yan ngayon dito.
Napakasarap niyan. Napakasarap. Ay, bawal pala ako. Sorry na, bias.
Okay, pass.
Pass, next.
Okay, go. Nasa movie, nasa Julia Barrera.
Hindi!
Sam
Yes! Ay,
Sayang!
umabot naman, di ba
Dapat ba
umabot?
yun?
Yung Nicolas, hindi umabot. Sorry, it's okay, nakailan siya? Dalawa! Halika, Angeline, mag-relax ka muna kasi